Hello everyone, today we'll talk about multi-level exam. So multi-level is similar to IELTS exam, but there are differences which you should consider. So multi-level check your four skills: reading, listening, writing, speaking. Yes, listening, reading, and writing are taken separately, and speaking is separately. So first of all, you should apply for this exam on mygo.us, and before 3 or 2 days for your exams they will inform you what time and where exactly you will take your exam. So exam starts with listening. Listening consists of 6 parts, reading 5 parts, and writing 2. Listening and reading have different types of questions: true, false, multiple choice, filling the gap, and others. Writing task 1 is letter. You should write letter. It can be complaint letters, thanksgiving, depends on your written task. And task 2 is writing essay. Next, when you finish it, all these 3 parts, in 3 days, maybe in a week, you will have speaking exam. Speaking exam will be computer delivered, so your answers will be recorded. And speaking consists of 3 parts as in IELTS. Part 1 are general questions, and you have 30 seconds for answering to each question. In part 2 you have 2 minutes for answering to a definite type of topic, so like cue card in IELTS. And part 3, here's the difference between multi-level and IELTS. In part 3, if in IELTS part 3 questions related to part 2, in multi-level part 3 questions are not related to part 2 questions. So for example, if in IELTS cue card was about sport, and part 3 questions will be related to sport in IELTS, yes, but in multi-level, if you had question in part 2 related to sport, in part 3 there will be different types of questions which are not related to sport. Here's the difference. And nearly in 2 weeks approximately, you will know your answers, so results will be announced after your exam. And for my advice from own experience, I can say, first of all, of course, you should practice a lot, as much as possible, because now there are a lot of books, useful books, which can help you and are available easily in Telegram groups or in bookshops and others. So because multi-level exam questions anyway are different from IELTS questions. So if you took IELTS before and want to take multi-level exam, you should prepare, because format in multi-level is different than in IELTS. So there are different techniques which you should know to answer successfully. And so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can write me. Goodbye and good luck to everyone who wants to take this exam.